This is the Iron Trader. It is Thursday morning. So as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily and your weekly chart. Well, the charts pretty much tell it all. Always been pointing out this 8 SMA here. Now yesterday, nice big toppy tail. This is a weekly, so we have today and tomorrow to go yet. To try to reclaim that. But look what that 8 SMA did, okay? And it brought it right on down. Now, here on your daily chart here, well, let me bigger up a little bit. Now you're below this key 8 SMA here, okay? That is not good. So the 8 SMA now is actually flattening out here. And now your key level here is going to be this 21 SMA here, sitting at 72.74. Okay, very, very crucial support level. Now, again, if that is lost here, then we want to do is we want to come down to this area right here, okay? So you're looking at here 72.44 here, and then we have this candle here sitting at 72.14, and then we have this candle here sitting at 70.99. Okay, now right below that here is this key 200 SMA here sitting at 70.71. Now you need to close above that for the week, okay? That is going to be very, very crucial, okay? So when you look at these candles here, yeah, they pow and then close right on, pow right on down, and then close right back on up here. So this is going to be very crucial support here on a weekly basis, okay? So right now you got the ping pong action here between the 8 and the 200 day. We're going to see which one is actually going to win out on this here. So again, you want to watch this key level right here. That's at 72.74 level, okay? And then again, if that's lost here, then we just follow the candles down here. That's 72.44 here. You had that 72.14, that's 70.99 here level here. And then you have 70.64. Then we have this key 200 day. This is very, very crucial here on a closing basis for the week. But again, if that's all lost, then we can follow the candles down here. You got 69.11 here. You got 68.80. We have 68.22. And then your big retest here is 67.71 here, okay? So bottom line, if you lose this on a closing basis here, this 21, this 200 day here, and this 8 SMA here, then this is going to be your target here at that 67.71 here. Now, on the upside, now see this support here, which was getting very, very nice. Now it becomes resistance. So now what we're doing is we're looking at 73.84. Very, very crucial. And then you want to look at top of today's candle here. You're looking at 74.40, and then we just work ourselves right on up here, okay? But the crucial level is going to be this 8 SMA here. That's 74.13. That is going to be very, very crucial. You got to get it back, close back above here if the price is going to go higher, okay? So again, lot of resistance here, 73.84, okay, 74.14, and then we'll look today's high. You're looking at 74.40 here. Then we come up here, 74.98. We look at yesterday's high at 75.66. Then we have your 76.18 here, and then you can see how your 8 day is just crowding right on down here, 77.05. Okay, so that is going to be your key level. Now, again, if you can get above that key 50 SMA here, then we have your 200 day sitting at 77.71 here. Then we have your 50 day sitting at 77.78 here. So those are lining up very nicely, but there's no sense saying, oh, it's going to go above here. There's a lot of resistance here now, since you basically, you lost this 8 SMA here and you lost this 8 SMA here. Now, so what we have here, yesterday we had an inside day, but today now we've got a lower high and a lower low. That's never very good. So now you're depending on this 21 SMA here to hold up the old fort, okay? So that is going to be very, very crucial. Okay, so here on your RSI here, well, that could go either way direction here. This is still bullish here on your MACD. Your green is over your red here. This is just still never turned. The green is below your red. That is showing signs of very good bearishness here. Not good at all. Okay, so bottom line, just a real quick review here. Upside, watch this 8 SMA here and watch this key 8 SMA here on the upside. You need to close back above for this to go any higher. On the downside here, watch this key 72.75 here, and then watch the bottom of this candle here, that's 72 44 here, that 72.14, the 70.99, the 70.64, and then this is going to be the crucial level right there at 70.71 here. That is not going to be, if that's taken out here, you're going to hit that 67.71 very, very quickly here now, okay? So usually I say seasonality runs here to the first week here of January here, but right now we got to just see how this is all going to shake out here today. Now we do have a good trading range here. So if you look at the top of this candle here, you got 76.18 here, okay? And then if we look here on we're actually holding in here sideways. So if you look at the bottom of this candle, that's 72.44 here. See, you got a lot of days here that we do have a sideways action. So we don't want to get too excited there just yet here, say this is going to fall off the map. We don't know that yet here, okay? So basically, this turns into a really good scalper's market here again for a long and a short here, because this is just, it's not running up here, you know, like it normally would and go right up to the 50-day or the 200-day, you know what I'm saying, kind of a retest situation. This is just going up, and now she's rolling back over. So watch that key 8 SMA here on a closing basis. That's going to be very, very crucial. All right, let's take a look and see what's going on with the old natty gas. Okay, here's natural gas here, your hourly and your 4-hour chart. Now, you can see here where, you know, you double top. It came on down, and then you put another double top in there. See, you had 2.581, and then we come down here to the retest here at 2.549 here. So another double top in play, and it came all the way down. Now, it did hold this here to start, this key 2.40, but now you can see where she just rattled right back on down here again. However, now, if you look at the 2.408 here, and then you look at this low here at 2.41, this is, you know, a nice possible double bottom here with a higher low. So don't get too excited here. Let's just see how it's going to shake out against this 2.40. Now, you can see here on the 4-hour chart here how you had a really, really nice channel going here, and it was really a good scalping situation here. But then what you get is got a little sloppy here where you got a series here of lower highs, and then she came right on down here. So bottom line here, you're trading against this 2.41 here. If that's lost, then you're going to come down to this 2.40. But remember, the retest down here is all the way down here to 2.23. All right, let's take a look here on a daily. Okay, here we have the old daily chart. Now, you can see here how this key levels right here, okay? Now, this 21-day now is your slope, and you're below the old 200-day, and you're heading right towards that 8 SMA here. You're already crossed the 50. Your 50 here is rolling over, and now you want to cross the 100-day, okay? So this is not looking very good here at all here for like a bullish segment. However, that being said here, if you look at the bottom of this candle here, this is that 2.38. You got a really nice channel here, okay? So if you look at 2.38, and then you're looking at basically this 2.62 here, you're trading a nice sideways action here, just like when we looked at it on the 4-hour chart. And then at the end here, it's getting a little bit sloppy because of these SMAs here coming down and forcing the price right on down. Because as this 21 is coming down, the price is going in and making lower highs here, okay? So you can see that. So what we want to do here today is you actually made a lower low again here today here, okay? So you put in a 2.41 versus yesterday's low here at 2.429, okay? So, but again, what you want to really trade here against here is this candle right here, that 2.38. That is a, now again, if that is lost here, we follow the candles down to that 2.328. That is going to be your next support here. And then we have your 2.29. Okay, then we have your 2.27, and then you have your retest here at the 2.23 here. That is going to be your target if this channel, it basically is lost, okay? Now, on the upside here, your 8-day did not curl up over that 21-day. It just flattened right on out here. So now this is going to be very, very crucial resistance here. So what you're looking at here on the upside is 2.52, and then we're looking here at this 2.55, this 21-day here. Then if you can get above, then you have your 2.62. But this is very, very strong resistance here with this 8 SMA here, this 21 SMA here, and then again, right above it is your 200 SMA here. So we got to see how this all going to shake out. But realistically, this is some really good trading here. Okay, the key is just to buy the support and then sell right into the resistance, thinking that it's not going to go any higher because obviously it isn't. Okay, so again, if you can get above the 2.62, then we have your 100 SMA here sitting at 2.84, and then your 50 days right above that at 2.87. But she's rolling over very nicely. I don't like this 21 day just as an absolute waterfall. If it smashes below that 8 SMA, you're going to bring this price right on down here. Okay, so don't be afraid to short this here, and don't be afraid to go long either here. Okay, so but now you're running out of room here. So as this wedge is tightening up here, okay, there isn't that much upside here unless it's some kind of a catalyst that breaks it right on through here. So bottom line today, what you want to watch here is you want to watch this level right here. So let's look at today's low, looking at 2.4. So let's just look at the 2.40, okay? That is going to be your first target, and then 2.38, okay? That is your next level here. So that is going to be your key downside. If that is lost here, then we can come down here to your 2.32 level here, and then possible retest here. But just watch this channel here. On the upside, this 8 SMA here, very, very critical at 2.52, and then your 21 day at 2.55, and then 2.62 here. Now you look at your RSI here. Well, your RSI is still, still looking good here. Your MACD is still bullish. Your green is over your red here. It hasn't curled over yet, even though it looks like it wants to be. But realistically here, you just have sideways action here, and you got a good channel here. I say what I don't like about it is your 8 SMA and your 21 SMA here is heading down here, so that's going to tighten that channel up, and something's going to give. You're either going to break forward or you're going to break on down. But with this much resistance here, with that 8 and that 21, that 200, it looks like you just might be breaking on down here. So we got to see how this is all going to shake out. But remember, this is not a buy and hold market here right now. This is a scalper's market. So just get in, get your money and get out. Even if it's a little money like that, whatever it is here, and don't force it because this is a very short week. There's lower volumes here, and there's only 2 days left here. We can worry about it as a next year here. Okay, so don't go in there and force anything and try to take a loss here. That's not a good play. All right, I'll have more for you on the crude oil and natural gas here after the pit close here at 2:30. And thanks for watching.